The electric bike for adults, featuring a robust 1500W motor, a peak 48V 20AH removable battery, and capable of reaching speeds of up to 30 miles per hour, promises an exhilarating ride for commuters and recreational users alike. With its compact 20-inch frame, it is designed to provide a blend of power, portability, and performance. After thoroughly testing this electric bike, I can confidently share my insights on its design, performance, comfort, and overall value. Design and build quality. The first thing that stands out about this electric bike is its striking design. The 20-inch frame is not only aesthetically pleasing but also practical, making it an excellent choice for urban riders who need to navigate crowded streets or small spaces. The bike is constructed from a durable aluminum alloy, ensuring it can withstand daily wear and tear. The finish is sleek, with a variety of color options that cater to different tastes. Additionally, the bike's compact size allows for easy storage and transport, particularly in tight urban living conditions or during travel. The bike features a removable battery, a crucial aspect that enhances its functionality. The 20AH capacity ensures a substantial range, allowing riders to cover long distances on a single charge. This feature is particularly valuable for those who may want to take the battery inside for charging and storage, as it also reduces the risk of theft. Performance. Equipped with a 1500W motor, this electric bike delivers impressive acceleration and power. The bike can reach speeds of up to 30 miles per hour, making it suitable for both commuting and recreational riding. The motor provides quick takeoffs, which is a significant advantage in urban settings where stop-and-go traffic is commonplace. The pedal assist feature allows riders to determine the level of assistance they need, making it easy to tackle steep hills or long distances without excessive strain. I found the bike's performance consistently reliable. It smoothly transitioned between different terrains, from flat city streets to more rugged trails. The throttle response is immediate, allowing for quick adjustments in speed when necessary. Moreover, the bike operates quietly, which is a plus for those who prefer a more serene riding experience. Comfort and ride quality. Comfort is paramount in any bicycle, and this electric model does not disappoint. The bike is equipped with a cushioned seat that provides ample support for long rides. The handlebars are positioned to ensure an upright riding posture, which minimizes stress on the back and wrists. The 20-inch wheels contribute to a more stable ride, especially at higher speeds. Suspension plays a critical role in ride quality, and this bike is fitted with front suspension forks that effectively absorb shocks from bumps and uneven surfaces. This feature significantly enhances overall comfort, making it suitable for various riding conditions. User-friendly features. One of the standout features of this electric bike is its user-friendly controls. The LCD display is intuitive and easy to read, providing essential information such as speed, battery level, distance traveled, and current riding mode. This positioning allows riders to keep their eyes on the road while quickly checking vital stats. The bike also features front and rear LED lights for improved visibility during nighttime rides, which is a crucial safety aspect. Coupled with reflective elements on the bike, these features enhance rider safety significantly. Battery life and charging. The 20AH removable battery offers an impressive range, allowing riders to cover up to 40 to 50 miles on a single charge, depending on the mode used and the rider's weight. Charging the battery is straightforward and can be done in about 5 to 6 hours, which is reasonable compared to similar electric bikes. The ability to remove the battery for charging is a convenience that cannot be overstated, especially for those living in apartments without easy access to power outlets. Value for money. Considering the features, performance, and build quality, this electric bike offers exceptional value for its price. It's a worthy investment for anyone looking to switch to a more eco-friendly mode of transportation or simply wishing to enjoy the thrill of electric biking. In conclusion, this electric bike